Gold. Morning guys, 3:59 in the morning. Let's hunt. First signal. So it's an old coin. Nice start. Strong signal. Could be an aluminum bottle cap. So coin, nice. Another signal here. I know there's a lot of coins in this area. Yeah, encrusted coin. Oh, demonetized coins from the 70s. Another one here. Yeah. Another old coin. Old coin. Guys, found a silver coin. Nice one. This is very worn coin, but I think this is 5 centavos at 1944. I found like this before, so I think this is it. There's a lot of rocks here. Oh man. Woo. Look at that guys. It's a yellow in the scoop. It's gold guys. Mark inside. I think this is 22 or 24 karat. Yeah, a good start guys. Guys, I think we found another silver. Just check when I get home. Another ring guys. Going to silver. Shallow target. Another yellow, guys. Guys, marking inside. I think it's 5 at 5. Woohoo! Second gold, guys. Keep going. On the ring, guys. And I think this is silver. Looks like a pendant, guys. 2 pendants, but I think this is a stainless steel. Oh, another ring, guys, but it's encrusted. Oh, I see a color. Yeah, it's white, so I think this is a spinner stainless ring. I kind of better. I found something here. And it's a ring. Nice one, guys. It's yellowish, but it's already tarnished. So I'll check later. It could be a low carat gold or just a silver or plated. Found the ring, guys. It's a silver. Nice one. Another signal here. There's a lot of signal here, but it's already full low tide, so I think I have to go to the water and just come back here tomorrow. We'll just leave it here first. Still a lot of signal. Bracelet, guys. Bracelet and an earring. Oh, look at that, guys. Another gold. Is that gold? Yeah, this is gold for sure, guys. Yoo-hoo. Third gold. I was shocked of the signal. Strong signal, but it could be a coin or aluminum bottle cap. I hope it's gold. Oh, look at that, guys. It's broken glasses. Nice signal, huh? gold. So guys, it's 7:56 in the morning. It's around 3 around 5 hours. Found a lot of coins, a lot of trash. Oh, my bag is full of coins, the other one is full of trash. We found 3 gold. It's a good hunt. See you later guys on the wrap up. Yo, what's up guys? Found a lot of coins, total of 816 pesos for the spin the ball. I found also old coins. These are the demonetized coins. This one, I think this is a bronze coin, maybe 1903 to 1929. Also this one, this is from the I think 1940s. Also found these rings. This is silver, also silver, aluminum, steel, stainless, junk, yeah, junk. This one is silver. And for the gold, this is the first gold I found. I thought this is a high carat, but it's marked 750. Very nice in color. Next gold is this one, marked 585, so 14k. This one no marking, but I tested it, it's 14k also. So we found 3 golds today, not bad. For the trash, I found almost same count of these coins. It's a lot of trash also. That's it for now guys. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos.